welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. Okay guys, I see you guys enjoy watching shopping haul. Let's just be giving you guys shopping haul. Okay, so today I have Asda shopping haul for you guys. Asda, it's been a while I do Asda shopping haul. Okay, so this haul is going to be including prices. Okay, so if this is a video you enjoy watching, you like watching shopping haul, stay tuned and find out what I bought, okay, on this haul. Okay, let me quickly tell you guys how much everything cost me. So everything cost me £70, no, £74.99. all right guys, so my Asda receipt. Let's dive right into this video. Enjoy it. So guys, this is everything I bought in this haul. So you guys can see I have two impulse buy, of course, which I won't be buying anymore. So everything cost me £74.99. Let's just round it to the nearest figure of £75. This weekly, I don't normally go Asda as such, so I'm just going to say it's a Asda, or I can't say weekly or something. I really don't go Asda as such. Okay, and I didn't find one particular thing I wanted to go and get in Asda, which is organic eggs. I didn't find any. I didn't find it in the other shop I went to. I didn't find it in Asda either. Okay, so this is everything. Just show you guys one more time. It's everything here. Okay, Asda. Okay, so I'm going to start from the top of the receipt. So we have this stock pot. Me that like pot. Somebody should come and deliver me from pot. I got this stock pot for £16. It's stainless steel. I like the weight of it. That was why I ended up buying it. It actually has a very good weight, so I know it's a good stainless steel. Hopefully it is. I'm trying to change some of my pots, the inside of them. The coating is not very good anymore, so I'm trying to change back to stainless steel. I'll still get non-stick or granite rather, okay, so that it won't be peeling inside. I don't want pot that the inside is peeling. So but anyway, I'm gradually transitioning back to my stainless steel, and probably I'll get granite. Okay, so that's £16. It's really nice guys. It's big, as you guys can see. It's 26cm stock pot. It has 5 years guarantee as well. Yeah, one. The next thing I bought is the pillows. I've been wanting to buy pillow. Thank God I saw some in Asda. Okay, and it's even more cheaper. It was a special something. I have a vlog coming up. Okay, so you guys will probably see it, this vlog. You guys will see the vlog before this haul, or this haul before the vlog. Okay, there's 4 in there. I bought it £11, guys. See how very cheap it is. £11 for those pillows. Then I got some tin milk. Okay, I got some evaporated tin milk. They are 59p each. I got 6 of them. So you guys can see there's 6 of them. And then I got jam. Oh, I got digestive biscuit rather first, which is 85p, which is this one here, because this must be the chocolate one. I just thought, oh, if I feel like eating something, I picked just one. I don't really buy it anyway. I'm sure if you watch my haul, you realize I really don't buy things like this as such. It's 85p for just one. Okay, please give it a thumbs up, share it so it can be helpful for someone. Okay, so this is 85p, and the next thing here is my jam. The jam is 40p. This one is Asda's own brand. Okay, 40p. And then we have biscuit. We got 70p. So we got the Asda's own digestive biscuit for 70p. I got 2 of them. 2 of them. And then I got crackers, 49p. Asda's own crackers, cream crackers for 49p. I got 2 of them. I got spoon. My spaghetti spoon is broken. It's broken, so I bought this one that is £1.50. The one I have is broken. So that's spaghetti spoon, £1.50. Then I got my mint chewing gum here, extra. The extra is £2.75. Yeah, for extra. And then We got some ice pop, which is slushy, guys. Slushy. You guys won't believe that slushy in Asda is cheaper than slushy in Iceland. I can't even believe it, honestly. The only headache is that if you go to Asda, sometimes you might not find it. I wish they do it like regularly. I will not even buy it from Iceland anymore. It's cheaper in Asda, 25p cheaper. It's £1.50 in Iceland, and it's £1.25 in Asda. Can you guys see? So I got 2 of that anyway. I got 2 of them. I got chocolate, which is the Kit Kat. Oh, not Kit Kat, rather. Sorry, guys, not Kit Kat. Snickers, not Kit Kat. So I got Snickers chocolate for £2.90. I was going to get Asda own brand, but I really feel like I want Snickers, this brand. I don't want the store own brand. Okay, it's £2.90. There's 9 in there. And then I got pineapple for my daughter that loves eating pineapple. Okay, I didn't even check the price of this pineapple. Rather, I didn't see the price. So let's see how much the pineapple is. So pineapple, oh okay, it's not bad. 96p. Is it? 95p, guys. 95p for the pineapple. 95p. I did it because I didn't see the price. If I have seen the price, I would have bought 2, honestly. Anyway. Then the next thing I bought is the pizza, reduced to clear pizza, £1.90p. It's reduced to clear, so it's £1.90p. Mighty Meat Feast. Then I got the big pizza, which I think they are doing offer on. Let me see if they removed any discount. I thought they were doing discount on this pizza. Yeah, 2 for £8. Yes, I've seen it. So this big pizza here, this one and this one, can you guys see the sticker? Yeah, so if you buy 2, it's £8. 1 is £5, but if you buy 2, because of this sticker, as long as you have this sticker, see the sticker, so if you buy 2, it's £8. So they gave me £2 off. Yeah, so it's £5 each, but because it's an offer, £8 for the 2 for the pizza. The small one is £1.19. Okay, so we have some wraps. The wrap is over here. The wrap is £1.10p, guys. Okay, and I got some banana. I got organic banana. The banana is £1.29. Okay, let me see the other banana. £1.29. Yes, so I got 2 because this banana, they taste more like our Nigeria banana. The other banana, I don't like their taste, although I'm not a banana fan, but recently I just started liking banana, so I don't know. So this is the organic one. I didn't see this other packaging. Then I saw this packaging in the same place. I just hope it's the same organic anyway, because the other banana, I don't like them. They don't have nice taste. They have taste, but it's no, I don't know. I can't explain it. But anyway, so I got these 2 banana, which are £1.29 for the 2 of them. Well, not for the 2 of them. £1.29 each. So I got 2. Okay. So the next thing I have is the apples. It's been a long time we ate apples, so I decided to get some sweet gala apple, which is £1.49. I got just 1 because I'm trying to reintroduce apple, so I don't want to buy too much so that it doesn't get spoiled. Okay, so I got 1, which is £1.49, and then I got some garlic bread over here, Asda's own brand. Garlic bread is 37p. I got 3 of them. Okay, you guys can see. Then I got some bread, thick bread for toasties. You guys can see toasties. So the bread at 75p. I got 3 of them. Okay, and then I got a drink. This drink is for my husband, it's not for me. I don't drink beer anyway. I got a drink. The drink is £10. There is 10 in the pack. Okay, so that's for my husband. I think he was just craving that drink and he just said I should buy it. Okay, and what else? Sandwich. I bought sandwich. Where is the sandwich? I bought sandwich, guys. I don't know where the sandwich is. Oh, there it is. I bought sandwich. I was hungry, but I ended up not eating the sandwich. So I got this bacon and egg unmelted bread sandwich, which is £2.50 for the sandwich. Okay, yeah, I think that's all I bought. I was hungry. I ended up going to McDonald's and buying McDonald's apple pie. That's why I ended up not eating it. So guys, this is everything in this haul. I don't think I forget anything. I don't think so. Let's start from this end and show you guys properly. So everything here cost me $74.99. Okay, please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please guys, and let's get to 6,000k subscriber. Okay, please share this video. It will definitely be helpful for someone. Okay, if you want to go to Asda and do the same shopping, you know, sometimes Asda has some things cheaper than Iceland, cheaper than Morrissey and Sainsbury's. Okay, and they have their own brand, like this yellow sticker you're seeing. Okay, and you can imagine this cushion. I've seen this, not cushion, the pillow. I've seen I've seen this exact pillow for 20-something pounds for the 4, and I bought it £11 in Asda. And this stainless steel cooking pot is heavy, it has weight. It's £16, and I've seen it for 20-something pounds. Okay, so yeah guys, so please share the video. It will be very helpful for someone who wants to go Asda, who has not been to Asda, or someone that just like going Asda like me. Just to be helpful anyway. So guys, share the video, and this is everything that I bought, okay, from Asda. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.